They call us the triple threat.
I'm Ivan.
I'm Adam.
I'm Nick.
And this is DIY Detail. Special guest is back, Adam Huber from Clarity Coat Autoflex. And part of the Clarity Coat Autoflex business is polishing. They do a lot of it. Because if you don't know what Clarity Coat or Autoflex is, take it away.
It's peelable paint, and when we give a customer a car that has been done in Autoflex, we want that thing to shine and be perfect.
Right.
So you actually lay something down first that is peelable, and then you do base coat, clear coat. So you can actually sand and polish this stuff, any customized color, but if you have a high-end Porsche and it's worth more with original paint, you can just peel it off at the end and return it.
Yep, that's
Specific kind of customer is gonna want this, but it's very interesting.
Yeah.
That kind of customer also might be this guy, because he has a lot of nice cars like this Chevy SS.
Right. So with that, Adam is here to learn about the gold standard polishing system.
I'm interested.
Yeah.
Let me see about this.
And also our new coatings.
So we're gonna polish, we're gonna coat, and we're gonna get to it right now.
Adam, your first experience with the gold standard.
Very easy to use. I felt like I could work it. Didn't really seem to have a problem with it. It has a very kind of unique look to it when you're actually polishing it. For people who, you know, if you've used quite a few different polishing brands, you'll understand that each one can have a little bit of a different look. So that was kind of neat, but overall, good stuff.
Yeah.
Makes the car look great.
Easy to wipe off, easy to work with.
Trim is good.
Yeah,
Smell?
exactly.
You like the banana smell?
I'm not a smell guy, but yeah, sure, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, but I like the honest answer. The smells are not a thing for you. You see through all of it. You've been in the business a long time.
Yep.
The smell is not a determining factor.
Straight up acid, and I'm good. Like, as long as it works, that's what I care about.
Yeah.
Smell is good.
Good. Next off, ceramic coating. We're gonna do 8 years on this one. He's gonna keep it for a while, so we're gonna put an 8-year ceramic coating on it. It's already extremely glossy, so.
Ivan, if we stack an 8-year and an 8-year on top of each other, will we get 16 years?
There's a good chance. But do one 8-year now and do another one in 8 years.
Okay.
That'll give you 16 years.
Perfect.
Yeah.
We'll see what this looks like in 8 years.
Yeah.
A lot more tar on the back end.
Yeah, probably. So, but it'll come off easier this time. So let's go get the coating, some applicators. We'll be right back.
All right, Adam, we've polished, we've removed the polish, we've panel prepped. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good, man. This has been a nice little day spending with you, Ivan, the crew, you know, trading some old stories, stuff.
The banter has been on point.
Yes.
All right, so you know what to do with this pad, this applicator pad, this sponge. Check this out. Two-sided.
Yeah.
Do you
can
know
flip it inside out?
You can flip it inside out.
Yeah.
You drop it on the ground.
Hold on, let me see if see, I dropped a little ceramic.
That's why we wear gloves.
Yep.
Okay. This is our 8-year ceramic, so you can put about 10 drops on there. You've primed many a pad in your day. Why don't you just give it a shot, and we'll just chat about it as you go.
Okay, if I do something wrong, yell at me.
Ivan will yell at you from behind the camera.
Okay, so, okay. All right.
That's good.
Yep.
That's plenty.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in the middle of the panel, and I'm just gonna go like this.
Yep, you're laying it on thick, which is good. So in humid environments, you're going to want to wipe it off a little bit quicker than if you were in a really cold environment, right? This is going to be weather dependent, but we tell people they have 5 minutes of open time. So you can essentially do half the car, come back, and wipe it down. So I'm just going to start the stopwatch here, and roughly about 5 minutes we'll come on back to wipe this area off. You're an efficiency guy. What do you think about that open time?
I like it. 5 minutes gives me enough time to do a whole nother panel or sit back, check my Instagram messages, you know, the important things in life. How's it feel, Nick?
Feels great. So very humid in here, so we're gonna actually wipe it off much quicker than 5 minutes. And the way you know if it's too soon is if your towel's getting wet.
Okay.
If it's not getting wet, it's into the paint, right? You're just leveling the coating. If it's getting wet, then it needs a little bit more time. I don't see any high spots, do you?
And I'm a bit of a dummy, so you can explain it to me as simple as you want.
I'm a dummy too, man. It's good to.
We're all a bunch of dummies here.
It's good to teach stuff. I feel like it helps you learn.
Oh, that I can confirm.
All right, Adam. Where are we gonna do? Rest of the hood?
You know what? As the great Ivan LaCroix's taught me, you start at one side and you work your way around in a clockwise or counterclockwise motion, whatever you want to do. And I feel like going this way.
So you figured to just do a third of the hood and then move?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
So I'm gonna do this a little bit differently this time. So I'm just gonna do just like 3-4 drops there. Go in the middle of the panel again.
Like everybody, once you get the product, you have total freedom to do as you wish. So even if it's not the way Ivan would have taught, we know in the real world people are going to do what they're going to do. And you just want to make sure you get the whole panel. The three amigos.
Yeah.
Bonding over a ceramic coating experience like no other. Adam, how would you describe using our 8-year?
Well, I would say that we bonded, the coating bonded to the paint, and now we're all protected by love.
Exactly.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. We love you, the coating loves your paint.
Yeah.
And Ivan LaCroix?
Great experience. Adam had fun. We had fun. The car looks spectacular.
Very shiny.
So good.
Yeah. With that, thank you very much. And if you like coating videos, I think right above Adam's head, you may find one or two.
Or 3.